Hey, what's up? This is Norris. Welcome back to my style channel. And today I'm gonna be showing you 3 different looks on how to rock skinny or slim jeans. Now, before I get started, I just want to say I do a lot of style videos when it comes to dressing up because there's a lot of guys that have really cool, dope streetwear that don't know how to put on a simple suit. So I have how to get your suit tailored, 3 different ways to rock your suit, all these videos on dressing up, but I never do anything dressing down. So I was talking to a friend of mine at dinner the other day, and he works in real estate. And the main problem he have is dressing down. He know how to wear suits, so he just needs some pointers. So I was like, let me put together a few different looks on how to dress down. So one of the things that a lot of guys shy away from are slim fitted denim jeans or even skinny jeans. Me personally, I rock skinny jeans because I have the body type for it. Some guys can't rock skinny jeans. You might need more of a relaxed or a slim fit. So let me get into the 3 different looks that you can do when you're rocking your slim or skinny jeans. So this is the first look. As you can see, I'm wearing a pair of sunglasses, aviators. These are some really cool sunglasses that you can rock. Thanks to my boy Kyle that's videoing me right now. I saw him, I put them on. I was like, bro, I gotta rock these for my look. So appreciate that, brother. So these sunglasses right here fit with my overall look. So as you can see, I'm gonna start with my t-shirt. This is a basic Henley white t-shirt. You can do a crew neck, you can do a V-neck. It really don't matter as long as it's a white tee. It's very clean, it's a classic. Everybody can get their hands on one of these. You always need some type of white t-shirt, okay? So as you can see, these are my skinny jeans right here. They're very slim, and like I said, these are really tight. These are skinny, but it's a relaxed fit because it has recovery in it. They stretch, and I paired a nice belt buckle with my belt that coordinates with my boots. And if you move on down to the boots, these are Chelsea boots. They're very stylish. These right here gives you a cool look, a rock star look. You can wear them to any party. You can wear them on errands out throughout the day. You can wear these on a first date. So these are really cool. It gives you a nice swagger. And I think these boots complete the skinny jeans look, and it works very well with them. All right, moving on to my accessories. I have on most of my rings right now, and it's such an important thing to do when you're rocking just jeans and a t-shirt to accessorize. You could put a scarf around your neck, or you could just overly accessorize with your hands and your wrists. I have a watch on, I have on a beaded bracelet, and I have on 6 rings. Now, a lot of guys might shy away from rocking these many rings, but guys, let me tell you, women love to see accessories on guys. I can't say that enough, all right? All right, fellas, on to my second look. You can see I'm rocking a light sweater. This is a dope piece in the transitioning period from summer to fall. It's not really heavy. It's pretty light. You can roll the sleeves up during the daytime, and it works really well with my skinny jeans or slim jeans. It's a cool, relaxed fit. Nothing is tucked in. The sweater is really breezy. Wind can blow it. That's really dope. And if you move on down to my shoes, you can see that I'm rocking a pair of tassel loafers. Now, these tassel loafers are pretty casual, really soft leather, and it has 2 tassels on the front. And I'm wearing them with no socks. And I like the rugged kind of streetwear look with the denim jeans distressed at the bottom. Now, I bought these jeans like this, but this is a really cool way to swag your jeans out if you have basic jeans. You can just scratch up the bottom and keep a really cool, swaggy look with them. If you like a tutorial on how to do that, just leave me some comments in this video, and I'll definitely put one together for you, all right? And once again, all of my accessories are in place in my first look, so nothing has changed. Sleeves down, sleeves up, the look is still cool. All right, last but not least, I'm not sure if you noticed this detail right here. This is a tie bar. It's used to keep your tie in place when you're wearing a dress shirt, but I use this for so many things. I like it because it's really small, it clips on different places, and I use it a lot in my neckline, just like that. So when you're not wearing a necklace or anything like that, and you have a tie bar handy, you can just clip it right there. It just gives it a little more detail. More like a piece of jewelry for your clothes. That's a little secret that I have. If you go and look at any of my photos or old videos, you might just see that right there. And even when I'm not wearing a tie with my dress shirts, I still clip it onto my shirt. All right, so that completes my second look. On to look number 3. All right, so on to my third look. You can rock sunglasses if you want to, but you don't have to. It always gives you another level of coolness with the sunglasses on. All right, so starting with the shirt, this is a denim shirt, button up, denim on denim is a really cool look. And I only have 2 buttons buttoned. All of them are really open. Shows a little skin, a little sex appeal. It's a pretty chill look. And I'm also rocking a cuff on my sleeves. This gives a little more detail with the shirt. It's untucked. I have it, it's a little bit bigger. It's not a fitted shirt like your dress shirt would be, so it's a little bit more relaxed fit. And like I said, I only have 2 buttons button, and as you can see, I have that little secret I showed you in that last look with my tie bar, and I just clips it right there to just show some type of little detail on the shirt. All right, moving on down, as you can see, the shirt is a different denim wash than the pants. That they don't have to be perfect. I like the contrast between the two, and they coordinate very well. So moving along to my shoes, I completed this look with a pair of sneakers. So these are some really cool sneakers. They're New Balances, one of their cooler styles. These are not dad shoes, although New Balances are known for those, but these right here are the ones that do have more swag to them. The denim jeans drop all the way to my shoe. They don't have a negative break like you would do with your suit pants or with your chinos, so you do want that little extra room at the bottom of your jeans. So this right here is a nice completed casual look with a pair of skinny jeans or slim jeans. And last but not least, my accessories are the same. Like I said, if anytime you're wearing casual outfits like this, you can accessorize as much as possible. So this is why I have these many accessories on. All right, fellas, that's my third and final look. I hope this video gives you a little bit more inspiration, a few more ideas, and just open your mind up to a little bit more slimmer fit or skinny jean. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. If you like this video, you want more videos like this, or you have something particular that you don't know about and you want me to implement it in the next video, be sure to put it in my comments. I'm gonna try to link some of the pieces that I'm wearing in the description box below, like the sneakers and some of the shirts and stuff that I'm wearing and the denim jeans and where to find some of this stuff at. And last but not least, remember to go to my Instagram and follow me on IG at Norris Danta Forward. Until next time, see you next week.